Hello guys, ngasidi yam kuir tunda video se hapine. I hope you guys are doing well. Ngasi se I'm taking you all to the Lume Van Gogh exhibition, immersive digital art exhibition yam pau bane the Lume hai se worldwide the magi program se tau bane. Showcasing different artists. Ado sigi handaki matang se Van Gogh ne. Van Gogh se American English the Van Gogh hai. Aduga British na Van Gogh hai bane. Dutch ta na ama hai bane. But today I'm just gonna say Van Gogh. So immersive digital art hai se olfactory hai badi manam. Adagi visual mit ki hai di vision uriba ma'am se, and then auditory habi nakong music kay kasina pula punsalaga painting magi artwork sige manung da akoy se layeba type to feel taw haleba. That's immersive digital art exhibition. So I spent around 3 hours in there. Ado ay samlap na taraga about half an hour mayam na siyam sangaga wadana ba hapchara sige video se changakpaga magi style habdi post impressionism agi artwork se kamay ye kadong no do tambagi ama section ama sulay aduga angang mayam su yaraga tammi adults to tammi. It's a very fun experience. It cost me around $50. Nungay adum experience to ay na mamanhaizer ise plus English to nga si kitang happy se ay imanabi sing chat taba kay kayawe moy chat ti ning ba adu sat paphang daba plus I think ato pa mi yingning basing na su adum chat tabi da enjoy taw na ba adum hapsara abane. So let's begin. If I haven't said it before, let me say it again. Vincent van Gogh is one of my favorite artists. Ado mase Vincent van Gogh was born in 1853. Aduga mase 1890 the sigi baniba. Yam kuine hingde. He was a Dutch painter who's become one of the most influential figures in Western art history. Unfortunately, his life was marked by struggle, poverty, aduga mental illness ka. Sida uliba se kanone real bed, real chairs, adune aduga backgrounds na painting ne inspired by the bedroom. Aduga stepping in sigi se Starry Night anayam ba magi painting dune ba. Ado immersive art has yung floor da silo in a light se layer ay ngona ba light se yere eba. And completely sida once you enter it feels like you're inside the painting. Yamna visually pleasing, sensory pleasing experience oy. One of a kind. Ado the floors yung carpet to ne basize it was moving, mas moved away pa carpet to. Yam surreal oy. Anyway, so getting back to Vincent van Gogh. He was born in 1853 in Netherlands. Adu mase he came from a religious family. Aduga mase art dealer o in the 20s that habak taw bane. Aduga he became very dissatisfied with commercial art world. Aduga masana yek pa se khar hawra bane ba. Magi artistic journeys yam thing na hoy hai tare 20s da. But very productive, incredibly productive. Hoji pa bayam powery. Mana hai base kano mi yek portrait yek pa hai, scenery yek pa hai, fine arts kumba yek pa hai. He covered everything. Japanese art pa ba yame ba mase. So he moved to Paris in 1886. Aduga mase he was greatly influenced by Impressionist and Japanese art. Aduda matam duda Paris ta khara di matam do business kay kase mayam haptaw bunina Japanese influence, Japanese art kasi trade and commerce lerak padagi am available oirak pa matam oy ba. Aduga earlier works to magi dark oy aduga kano khara detail wale, but later on he adopted brighter colors yengoba sigi kanuga se flowers, poppy flowers type taga tawise. Yellows I'm used to blue used to red, oranges, greens, and then magi brush strokes ke kadasune it became much more expressive in the late 80s. Haidar. Mase Canada, Southern France da 1888 da moved over neba countryside da seeking inspiration. Aduga his brother Theo was very supportive that time. Theo na painting kay kaga provide paint ki magi rang kay kaga provide taraga Mase Van Gogh's na yek pa neba. Adu some of his famous works like the sunflowers, aduga the bedroom ay na hana utkiba do nasay. Adugido adu sige matam sa yek pa niba. Adagi another artist ama Paul anam kakler me mabani ki relationships sa sikan yam intense oy heated arguments etc. Aduga mase mental breakdown Van Gogh's mental breakdown suffer taw sige matam se. Ado nga saigi phambam gasun lay tar hippaga sum yeng na ba mayam se. Ado ay gisu phambam ay ama hippaga taraga yenge, so I'll be here for a while. So yeah, repeat taraga thar layban ba ay nanchangak pa juday da already hanagi ama hawlayramba, but now it's starting again. So yeah, Alamagi artwork or art style is best described as post-impressionism. Kano seba movement amne ba adu matam da focused more on emotional expression. Aduga magi kano se colors na painting to the bold oiba yam symbolic colors oiba asaw ba utken red, haraw ba utken bright colors like yellow. Adugum ba do expression do emotional expression do in the form of artwork tauba. Aduga brush strokes to na hoyen nga lerga magi painting kay kada urakani ba thick and swirling brush strokes o gumba panbib gumba adagi magi most famous paintings ta uba phang mane, for example the Starry Night 1889 the draw tawgi bane. It's one of the most iconic paintings in the world. Aduga sige matam da ma mental asylum da su layba matam da ba. Aduga adugi painting the swirling night sky village da ying thaba do adugi do neba mana portrait do aduga sunflowers so adu yam pawe magi. And then the bedroom again, adagi cafe terrace at night anamalay, adagi the night cafe and wheat field, wheat crows, adagi irises ana sinelo ina urakani ko magi paintings sa mayam. In his lifetime he painted around 2,000 or more paintings. Aduga self-portrait mayam sulayba. Adu self-portrait ki matam siday hena ngasay other popular day-to-day life or village ki or scenery mayam yek pa do adu na strokes to henna prominent oibane in my opinion. Masi magi mapunsi da mana hingi ngay da di magi artwork se kanap na value tog bide angaw bane na laubiraga mas to nga naga man to pa madum yek leza ba kanap na mawalaw bide ba. But after his lifetime now his paintings are considered some of the greatest masterpieces in art history. Kasi magi life da he struggled with severe mental illness. Dum magi mapunsi sa throughout his life. Aduga diagnosis sa atum kanta yam na patiba ni na medical science yam kana advanced oidrimi na the diagnosis remains uncertain. Possible diagnosis pudi karalay. Magi symptoms to included depression, anxiety, hallucinations yam tawi. kaiga uba khotpase adagi psychotic episodes kano magi yam infamous oiba mana tatpagi episode to laidana adagi extreme mood swings possibly mayam namase schizophrenia na naramni na adum largely believed taunay ado magi paintings is over the years as his mental illness progressed he na surrealism gumbagi type ta ole eva kano kasi cat ki painting ga live neva hangdong mana sumi ambadagi it became like akhoi gi kano mayam round yiksalaga kano visual kano confusion ga thokhan bado adumaina magi state of mind do adugi magi later artworks ta adum uba phangbaneba hojiki air cutting incident kido 1888 ta tawgibane ngasai gi aina Paul ana mention tawgiba artist to aduiduga khatnarba matungda he suffered a mental breakdown and masagi manakong do kakthatsaineba aduidune adagi adi matungda mase masana de recognize tawe masa nare and then his brother was really good so adi matungda he checked himself aduga magi family na help taraga asylum stayed the 1889 to 1890 se layaba adudaida maze he painted some of the greatest artworks kano akoina hojipoba appreciate our labase for example the Starry Night or the irises lay myam gi amakak laybato aduga mase 1890 da mase matom da sizagi baneba final breakdown taraga color yaudaba mayamsina magi early artworks ngataneba kona ngasai gido color yarakpado mayam bold colors yarakpado 1880s tagi the last decade of his life haitar sida the Lume da feature tawise artworks khatang natte mase Van Gogh se yamna phajaba quotes kasu yam hairame aigi favorites am yawa says the adu some of my favorites have also been featured ado sumaina amadi hai sumaina what would life be if we had no courage to attempt anything kaimta tawbagi courage later di life se kari oidoino haiba sige se I think it's applicable to all of us at various stages of our life aduna kanyam tawbada tanba or kiba se kashipta kandam ne tawra fail oini ju laite do tawdradi oini oiroi do sukhang khangaroi dana at least tawradi oigadra do am khangidana aduga failure su kasu kaide am hana hotnar lore you know basically one should have the courage to do things what they want to do as long as it doesn't harm anyone of course aduga second quote ama inyam pambam kakslay siji amna practical oy great things are not done by impulse but by a series of small things brought together. And ado great things achauba thabak achauba grand oiba things se impulse ne heta ngasi tawrage kind zar heta tawdoba nateba. It's achieved by a small series of efforts daily. Adugo sum macha sum tawraga punjalaga diduna achauba achievement to oirakadabaneba. Although I think these two are applicable to all of us. For the romantics, there is nothing more truly artistic than to love people. Sida Japonism the influence of Japanese arts and aesthetics on Western art ke kasu utke. I 3 hours mu taraga layure. ꯑꯗꯣ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯔꯤꯄꯤꯠ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯣꯀꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯇ even though he led a very short life more than 2000 paintingsꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯝꯃꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯌꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄꯤꯔꯤꯌꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ
Should we go to the other spot? Nice.
ꯈꯔ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯌꯦꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯨꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯛꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯅ ꯐ꯭ꯂꯣꯔꯗꯁꯨ ꯎꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯔꯄꯦꯠꯇꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯇꯤꯡꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯄꯦꯟꯇꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯎꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯤꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯅ ꯚꯦꯟ ꯒꯣꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯆꯦꯟꯗꯥꯏꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯦ So ngasigidi sila dam loisalage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.